Nvidia has emerged as a technological powerhouse. The company is best known for its graphics processing units, or GPUs. These GPUs have revolutionized gaming, artificial intelligence, and data centers. From humble beginnings in gaming, Nvidia has evolved into a driving force behind transformative technologies. Nvidia's journey began in 1993, focusing on accelerating three-dimensional graphics. Nvidia's vision extended beyond gaming, recognizing the potential of its GPUs to process massive amounts of data. This led to Nvidia's expansion into new fields. Nvidia's GPUs are now the backbone of countless industries. These industries rely on high-performance computing. Nvidia's impact is undeniable. The company continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Nvidia's story is far from over. It is a story of relentless innovation. Nvidia is shaping the future of technology through its powerful GPUs and strategic vision. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming our world. At the heart of this AI revolution lies Nvidia. Nvidia's GPUs are uniquely suited for the complex computations that power AI. They excel in parallel processing, handling massive amounts of data simultaneously. This capability is crucial for training AI models. Nvidia's GPUs have become the go-to choice for researchers and developers in the AI field. Nvidia's dominance in AI extends beyond hardware. The company has developed software platforms tailored for AI workloads. CUDA, Nvidia's parallel computing platform, has become an industry standard. Leading technology companies rely on Nvidia's GPUs to power their AI initiatives. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis, Nvidia's technology is pivotal in shaping the future of AI. Nvidia invests heavily in developing new architectures and algorithms. As AI continues to advance, Nvidia is poised to maintain its leadership position. This technology is shaping the future of intelligence. Nvidia's roots lie in gaming. The company has played a pivotal role in shaping the gaming industry. Nvidia's GPUs have consistently raised the bar for graphics fidelity and performance. They deliver immersive gaming experiences. Nvidia's GeForce GPUs power the latest PC games with stunning visuals and smooth frame rates. From realistic lighting and shadows to complex physics simulations, Nvidia's GPUs bring virtual worlds to life. Nvidia's commitment to gaming extends beyond hardware. The company has developed technologies like ray tracing and DLSS, or deep learning supersampling. These technologies enhance graphics quality and performance. Nvidia's influence on gaming is undeniable. The company's GPUs have become the gold standard for PC gamers. Nvidia's continuous innovation ensures breathtaking visuals and smooth gameplay. Nvidia's dedication to gaming will continue to shape the future of interactive entertainment. Data centers are the backbone of our digital world. Nvidia's technology is playing an increasingly critical role in these data centers. It is driving efficiency and performance. Nvidia's GPUs are designed for high-performance computing. They excel in handling the massive workloads of data centers. This includes tasks such as data analysis, machine learning, and scientific simulations. Nvidia's GPUs offer significant advantages over traditional CPUs. They provide faster processing speeds and more efficient use of energy. Nvidia's data center platforms are tailored for specific workloads. For example, the Nvidia DGX system is designed for AI and deep learning. It provides unparalleled performance and scalability. As data centers grow, the demand for Nvidia's technology will increase. Nvidia's innovations in data center technology are transforming how we store, process, and analyze information. This paves the way for a future where data is more accessible and insights are generated with remarkable speed. Section 5. Partnerships and Acquisitions. Forging a Path to Dominance. Nvidia's strategic partnerships and acquisitions have been instrumental in its rise. The company collaborates with key players in various industries. This strengthens its position and expands its reach. One notable partnership is with Tesla, Nvidia's GPUs power Tesla's AI systems. This highlights Nvidia's expertise in autonomous driving. It positions the company as a leader in this market. Section 6. Automotive Industry. Driving the future of transportation. The automotive industry is undergoing a profound transformation. Self-driving cars are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are becoming a reality. Nvidia is at the forefront of this revolution. The company is providing the AI brains that will power these vehicles. Nvidia's Drive platform is a comprehensive solution for autonomous driving. It includes hardware, software, and simulation tools. Car manufacturers are using the Drive platform to develop and deploy self-driving systems. These systems are capable of navigating complex environments and making critical decisions in real time. Nvidia's GPUs are ideal for the demanding computational requirements of autonomous driving. They can process data from multiple sensors simultaneously, including cameras, radar, and LiDAR. Nvidia's expertise in AI and deep learning is crucial for enabling self-driving cars. Nvidia's technology is poised to revolutionize the automotive industry, making driving safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Section 7. Healthcare Revolution. Advancing Medical Innovations. Nvidia's technology is not limited to gaming, data centers, and automobiles. It is also making significant inroads in healthcare. It's revolutionizing medical imaging, diagnostics, and drug discovery. Nvidia's GPUs are accelerating medical imaging techniques, including CT scans and MRIs. This allows doctors to obtain higher resolution images and make faster, more accurate diagnoses. Nvidia's AI-powered platforms assist radiologists in analyzing these images, identifying anomalies, and improving patient outcomes. In drug discovery, Nvidia's GPUs accelerate the process of simulating and analyzing molecular interactions. This is crucial for identifying potential drug candidates and developing new treatments for diseases. Nvidia's Clara platform is specifically designed for healthcare applications. It provides tools for medical imaging, genomics, and drug discovery. The platform leverages AI and high-performance computing to address pressing challenges in healthcare. Nvidia's technology has the potential to transform the industry. It can make healthcare more accessible, affordable, and effective for everyone. Ethical considerations. Navigating the power of AI. As Nvidia's technology becomes pervasive, addressing ethical considerations is crucial. AI raises concerns about job displacement, bias, and privacy. Nvidia emphasizes responsible AI development. The company promotes fairness, transparency, and accountability. Nvidia ensures its technology is used for good and prevents harmful biases. Job displacement is a valid concern. Nvidia invests in education and training to equip the workforce for future jobs. AI will create new opportunities, helping workers adapt to the changing market. Privacy is crucial in ethical AI. Nvidia's platforms protect sensitive data. The company works with policymakers to establish clear data privacy guidelines. Ethical considerations are paramount as AI grows. Nvidia engages in open dialogue to ensure responsible AI development and deployment. Section 9. Challenges and competition. Staying ahead of the curve. Nvidia faces challenges and competition in the evolving tech landscape. Continuous innovation is essential. The tech industry advances rapidly. Nvidia must stay ahead to maintain leadership. Significant investments in R&D are required. Attracting top talent in AI and graphics is crucial. Competition from Intel and AMD is significant. Nvidia must differentiate its products and deliver superior performance. Nvidia's vision for the future. Nvidia's journey from a graphics card manufacturer to a technological behemoth is a testament to the company's vision and innovation. Nvidia's technology is no longer confined to gaming. It powers advancements in AI, data centers, automotive, healthcare, and more. Nvidia's GPUs handle the massive computational demands of modern tech. From AI model training to scientific simulations, Nvidia drives innovation. Strategic partnerships position Nvidia at the forefront of key trends. Nvidia's collaborative approach fosters an ecosystem where innovation thrives. Nvidia's vision is to empower with computational power to solve humanity's challenges.